And I bought myself the Sandman clock, but I waited and the price dropped. When it first came out, I liked it. I liked the idea of it, but it was like $35 and I thought, dropped down to $19.95 and I thought, okay, that's a reasonable price. Sandman clock, you may ask? Well, it's a 4-port USB charging station with alarm clock. Let's open this bad boy. We hope you enjoy your Sandman Palo Alto innovation. Quick start guide, enter the Sandman. Let's pull out, see what we got. All right, so that's the clock in there, and then what have we here? Additional components. Tape to the bottom, double-sided tape. What do we have here? Cables, cables, cables. What kind of cables do we have? Okay, that's the power cable. We got more cables. Oh my God, why would it need such a thing? Why? Oh, okay, this is the other half. Wow, man. So it needs it needs something like that. Okay, well, that kind of almost removes the convenience of this clock. But what are you gonna do? All right. I guess that's the snooze button. Yeah, see, this is not 35, but four USB ports, 4. I thought it was just 2. Nice, not bad, 4. And we got some kind of plus minus. What is that for? I guess the sound for the alarm. Alarm on and off. Well, let's read this. To plug in power to the Sandman clock, simply pull the silver shroud back from the power cord, plug the power cord into the back of the Sandman clock, and then firmly push the silver shroud forward into the Sandman. For basic instructions, please see bottom label. To access the user manual, which features more detailed instructions, diagrams, and warranty information, please visit www.sandmanclocks.com/support. Made by Palo Alto Innovation. So, look at that. They even have instructions. Change time. That's the plus and the minus. 12, 24-hour, plus and minus at the same time. Set alarm. Hold it until blinking. Press again. Snooze, brightness, alarm light, PM light. What's the PM light? Period. That dot. Where's that? Maybe it's on screen. Is this a touch screen? Look at that. Here's something you don't see every day. This is the connector piece. What the heck is that? So I guess that's what goes onto there. It's kind of like, what is this? So that goes in there somehow. Back. Haha. And then this goes in. Aha. And I guess this just kind of keeps it all nice. Okay. They sure give a lot of cabling. You know, if you decide you want to do it on this side or that side, it's all there for you. Or both sides in some cases. So let's fire this sucker up. Do. Is this it? I didn't have the thing pushed in far enough. It's this U109. What's that mean? I got the time set to 144. It's not actually blinking when I look at it. There we go. I had to do it by pushing this button and the, it says in the instructions just press plus or minus, but that doesn't get it going. I had to like actually click that to get it going. I don't know. All right, so there you have it. This is the Sandman clock. If you'd like to buy one, there will be a link in the description below as well as the top pinned comment. This is Tech Nuba. Thank you for watching. Tech Nuba.